Hey everybody, Keith here, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the ceramic coating, the Mr. FiX 9H ceramic coating that I put on about 10 months ago onto the Jeep. And I do want to let you know that I am not an employee of Mr. FiX. I am not a professional that is getting paid to do this. I am just doing a video so that I can see how something that I saw online works, and I want to see how it works as far as longevity on a couple of things. My main concern was that this Jeep is a daily driver and that I'm going to be driving it on the highway here in Arizona, which is known for rock chips, breaking windshields, just bad conditions for paint. And so what I did was put the ceramic coating on it, and I really emphasized a lot of the ceramic coating in this area right here, up in here, and then all along this side over here. So what I want to do is make sure that I don't have any rock chips. I want to see if there are any rock chips, which is the most important thing to me. And then secondary, obviously if it is keeping it nice and clean, which this, you can see on here, there's a lot of dirt. We are in monsoon season, so we pretty much get a storm every single night. What I'm going to do first, wash the vehicle, and then I'll go through and do a close-up. And this is in 4K, so I do want to get up close and see if there are any scratches or dents or anything. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner. And what I'm going to do is now go over the areas that I think are going to be important as far as protection, so that I don't get a lot of rock chips. Now here on the front, again, I did 3 coats on here of the Mr. FiX. On that, there's nothing on here, and it's a little bit of dirt on there, but there are no rock chips whatsoever. And again, this is going on the Arizona highways, which are notorious for having little pebbles, because desert, we get a lot of desert. On the side of the highways, there's not grass or anything like that. It's just all open desert. So on here, you can see I don't have any chips whatsoever, nowhere. And even on the glass, I did the glass on here, even though you're not really supposed to, but I did put a coat on it. They have different products for the glass. But on here, there's nothing. I don't have any chips on here, and nothing along this whole top, where you would normally see something right along in this area. I don't have anything. Again, a little bug crap. Here, just some bugs. I guess I didn't do that great of a job washing it. But nothing on the glass. Here, and then down here, I mean, this would be an area that would definitely get some. I don't have any. I have nothing. No chips whatsoever. And I will tell you that I did see some chips on the back fenders. So it's not perfect, but if it can get me through 12 months or 10 months of this and not have any chips in comparison. So nothing along here. Also did it on the windshield, which again, you're not supposed to do because there is different product, and it actually was pretty bad. When I did the ceramic coating on here, I had like a film in the sun that would reflect in it, so it looked kind of like a greasy, oily film that just looked terrible. So, and that took about 6 months to get off. So I would definitely not recommend putting it on the windshield. There is different product for that. Again, all along the side, there's nothing. So here's the only areas that I see that there are chips. There's a little chip right here, and that's not even, that's actually a paint flaw right there. That is a chip that wasn't there. I know that that one was there right at the beginning when we did. There's another one on the other side. So on here, nothing so far, nothing along this top. And you got to check out these tires. Again, I don't have the steps that were on here originally. I took those off in the first month. And with these 12-inch wide tires that don't have anything, they're going to kick up a lot of rocks along this whole side. So it's not doing anything. I don't have any chips anywhere along here, anywhere. No chips, nothing. Nothing on the hood. If you can see, there's absolutely no chips. Now going over here to this other side, this is the other side that I was telling you about. There's a little thing there, but again, I think it might be the from the original paint. There was a chip under here. I think it might be right there, but there is a chip in the actual vinyl. So nothing on there. Nothing. It's worked out really well. I do have a little bit of you can see a little brush from hitting trees while we're out in the desert, but nothing else. I don't see any along the whole side, which is really nice because we do go out four-wheeling. I've probably gone about 10 times, a couple times on Broken Arrow in Sedona, on FiX, also on Bloody Basin. So we do a lot of four-wheeling, but nothing at all. So very, very happy with it, and for $10, absolutely well worth it if you can apply it correctly. And if you watch the video on how to apply it, it came out well. As you can see, there are no streaks on here. There are no streaks anywhere. A little dirt. No streaks, and it's protecting well. So I'm very happy with it. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna start